To make yourself look taller in your photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can increase your leg length so that your height will be increased too. To do so, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon and then tap face effect. Swipe the icon area below the photo to the left until you are in the leg length section. To increase the leg length, drag the slider to the left. The longer your legs, the taller you will be. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, by increasing your leg length, now you look taller on your photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.